If you have access to a barbell, I'm going to show you another option here that you can use to replace the bent over dumbbell rows or single arm rows. So this is the barbell bent over row. So as you can see, I've set up with my feet hip width apart over the bar, and I'm using an overhand grip just outside my knees. I'm hinging at the hips, pushing my butt all the way back, keeping a slight bend in my knees. The goal is to get my torso close to parallel with the floor, but most importantly, keep your back flat and not rounded. Chest up, shoulders back and down, looking slightly ahead of your feet. So as you can see, I'm leading with my elbows and I'm pulling the bar towards my belly button or my lower ribs. Let me show you what it looks like from the front. Really important here that throughout this movement that you're squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top and control the bar back down. Do not let it drop. So as I said, we set up with our feet hip width apart, overhand grip just outside the knees. I'm going to hinge at the hip and then I'm going to push my butt all the way back, keeping a slight bend in my knees. Now, I'm trying to get my torso parallel to the floor here, as you can see, and I'm keeping my back flat and not rounded. My chest is up, my shoulders are back and down. And you can see that I'm leading with my elbows, trying to keep my elbows as close to my chest as I possibly can, pulling the bar towards my belly button or my lower ribs. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top, control the bar all the way back down. You got this.